Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to another exciting edition to my YouTube channel. Today, we are here to explore the benefits of fasting or the benefits of fasting during the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is actually the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, during which Muslims fast intermittently from dawn to sunset. It can last for 29 or 30 days, and it is a dry fasting, thus you are not drinking any liquid, including water. To the Muslim community, it is a powerful way to reconnect with Islam, as it is a spiritual journey and an obligatory act of worship. But I'm here for us to explore the impact it has on health, which is actually backed by research. This form of exercise has major immune, physical, physiological, and psychological benefits on the observer. But remember, this is not restricted to only someone observing the Ramadan, but anyone fasting in general. First of all, when it comes to the immune benefits, when you fast, you decrease cytokines. And there are different kinds of these cytokines, and these are chemical messengers that allow communication between immune cells. There are those cytokines that can trigger inflammations, thus leading to swelling, pain, or even cell injury. And these are the ones we are actually talking about. Fasting also stimulates macrophages, that stimulate macrophages formation, which are actually large cells that scavenges or eats up bacteria, viruses, and other microbes, thus foreign bodies that enters our system. These are part of the first line of defense system against pathogens in your system. The more you can release them, the better your immune system, as they serve as shells. It also increases your microbiome, thus your friendly bacteria found within the digestive system, most especially in the large intestine. It reduces oxidative stress, thus you produce less free radicals when you fast, and hence benefit to the immune cells, since you increase the production of your antioxidant networks. But in order to achieve these immune benefits to the fullest, you must incorporate lots of keto-friendly foods such as fish, seafoods, meat and poultry, and even non-starchy vegetables, avocados, berries, nuts, and seeds, etc. in your diet, and limit too much starchy foods intake before and after the fast each day. And now to the physical and physiological benefits. Fasting mainly involves abstaining from food, drinks, and among others. You have to realize that the stomach is the main organ in the body with lots of diseases because it houses lots of bacteria. Food gets into stomach, digests, and continuous digestion in the intestines, where nutrients are absorbed through the bloodstream and transported to almost every part of the body. We can say that the stomach works continuously throughout the life of a person without any rest. When we fast, the stomach, which is delicate, though complicated, will get to rest when food does not enter it for several hours. And toxins that are there in the body will be removed. Through fasting, we learn how to take out junk from our body. There's a process called autophagy that actually eats all of these stuffs up and renews cells of the digestive system. If you never stop eating, you do not allow this to happen. So you are just like accumulating more and more and more toxins within you, creating more cells that are not very efficient. A lot of people find that when they fast, they get more energy. And currently, there's a lot of more data that correlates fasting with longevity. And lastly, to the psychological benefits. Fasting has been known to have impact upon the human psyche. Thus, it boosts our cognitive performance. People find that they are much clearer and more resistant to stress when they fast. It helps with patience, forbearance, and perseverance. It increases a person's self-control. Thus, the one who fasts sees improvement upon his or her self-training. Fasting projects self-discipline and can help you develop the habit of delaying gratification, which can be beneficial in other areas of life as well. So overall, Ramadan fasting goes beyond just the spiritual benefit as most Muslims think. So therefore, the takeaway message here is that Ramadan fasting, or fasting in general, supports weight loss due to some calorie deficit when you do not eat for several hours during the day. It detoxifies the body, it repairs damaged cells, improves your overall metabolism, mental health, and strengthens the immune system. And so, to anyone observing the Ramadan and any other fasting out there, may your Lord accept it from you. I also want you to understand that you are not just on the journey of spiritual reflection, but that of a healthy lifestyle as well. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button, like, and comment below. Thank you and enjoy your time.